Hey! We have some exciting news to share with you today, and it's big. Maciej.
Hi, I'm Maciej. I'm Beach Ambassador for Adventure Sports in Fort Lauderdale. Today we want to show you exciting new setup from Cabrinha 2023 MK2 series high aspect foil. So we're gonna give you a couple of close-ups and we're gonna talk about specific details of what's included in the kit. So in 2023 we have a brand new premium high modulus carbon fiber mast that is hollow in the middle. This is a very important feature which makes the whole new construction super stable. Also another feature is that we have a special barrel nut inside that you can remove if you want to use it with the new MK2 foils, or you can leave it if you want to use it with any previous fusion system made by Cabrinha. So it's back compatible with any Cabrinha system. And on the top, this is how it looks. We have a nice rubber gasket over here that is going to prevent any vibrations between the mast and your board. So for 2023, the MK2 foil kit comes with front wing. You can choose different sizes. And of course, it has a fuselage. This is all carbon built. Then we have a fusion alloy fuselage. And then we have a back stabilizer. In this kit, we have a V180 wing. Of course, you get a hardware with everything. All the wings come with new, improved rubberized covers. Those covers are a little bit thicker than from the last year, and they are rubberized, and they will give you extra protection for your wings. The MK series wings were tested in the biggest tank in Europe, and their tips, as you can see, they have been refined perfectly to allow the tips to breach and re-enter without cavitation. This is new invention by Cabrinha that makes the foil ride super smooth with no cavitation at all. So also in this MK2 kit you have this genius design by Cabrinha. No more you have to worry about adjustment on your screws. All you have to do is just slide this into your box, tighten one of the screws, but the distance is always gonna stay the same. You're never going to lose those bolts anymore, and everything runs smoothly. If you want to move it to another board, you can easily remove it in 2 seconds. It's brilliant.
And we just now get them in. We have every size, and we have 84 centimeter mast or 74, and it's available in all Adventure Sports stores, and it's also available on our web page. You can purchase, and if you can just pick up at your local stores, or you can buy online. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call. If you like a demo, we can always make it happen. And now, after you buy your brand new fusion foil, you don't need to be thinking about wind. If there's no wind, you just buy Takuma Ito, and you can foil all year round.
Takuma Ito is something that can tow you when there is no wind. You have jet engine right here. Takuma Ito is available at Fort Lauderdale Adventure Sports.
And thank you very much for watching. See you in the water. Take care.